Zhang Zhiwei is President and Chief Economist at Pinpoint Asset Management in Hong Kong. Zhang Zhiwei, welcome back. Good to see you. Foreign direct investment dropped in January, according to China's ministry. Is this speech going to do the trick and turn things around?
I think a clear gesture from the government certainly is helpful on the margin. But I think there are, other signals coming from, for instance, the stock market is also quite encouraging. I'm based in Hong Kong. This week we have very big conferences in Hong Kong, and I met many foreign investors coming to Hong Kong after, quite many years. This is the first time they came to Hong Kong because the stock market is doing well, so that they want to come here to get a sense about, what's happening on the ground. So I think it's not just the government policies, it's also, stock market signals, DeepSeek, this kind of, real cases that make the investors more interested these days.
Given overseas turbulence, domestic confidence is the key, isn't it? I mean, getting Chinese consumers to spend again is the trick, but saying it and achieving it is quite another, isn't it? I mean, any sign that pulling the levers in central government is going to get the punters to spend?
That's right, James. I think that's a very key issue, right? So the consumption part of the economy so far I think it's stabilized by the end of last year, but it hasn't really picked up in a meaningful way to become a pillar for GDP growth. I think the economy still very much depends on export so far this year. So going into the rest of the year with the global international trade environment become less favorable, I think it's really important to have consumption back on track. I think that's also the government trying to do, raising fiscal deficit, likely to boost the consumption going forward.
Well, let's look ahead then into this new world over the next 12 months and the prospects of difficult tariffs. What will that mean for China and the wider region in terms of exports?
Yeah, so that's a big question on investors' mind. I think direction-wise, there's no doubt it will have some damage on international trade, and exactly how big the damage will be, I think we'll probably find out sometime in second quarter, probably in the coming months. And I think that the government is also waiting for that, to see how export will perform in second quarter, and then they probably will take action on the fiscal side to try to offset the damage to export. My sense is it's probably going to happen gradually because there's a lot of front loading of exports, and the big shock also potentially may be put off by a lot of the firms already getting ready for this, so they. In the short term, they may have some measures to soften the impact.